Hi there, I wanted to chat with you guys about the use of nasal dilators or nose cones after having nasal surgery. So when you come in for your 1 week post-op visit, we will go ahead and remove the tubes that are in your nose. A lot of times you'll get quite a bit of swelling on the inside of the nostrils after we do this. So we do recommend the use of nose cones or nasal dilators post-operatively. I typically counsel patients to start using them 3 to 5 days, sometimes about a week or so out from when you come in for that post-operative visit. So you are going to place them gently in your nostrils when you go to bed at night, and then you're going to go ahead and remove them when you wake up in the morning. They shouldn't necessarily cause any pain going in or coming out. They do look like this. There's a couple different products on the market. You can typically get them really easily on Amazon or at your local pharmacy in the aisle dedicated to sleep medicine or snoring. The pair that I have here do come in a couple different sizes, so if you can see what they look like. These are marked by little fins or ears at the top so that they comfortably fit into the nostril. I typically recommend gently compressing them when you go ahead and place them into the nostril. You can use a clean finger or you can even use a tweezer to do that. They should slide right in and then sit comfortably within your nose, not causing any pain. And then when it's ready or time to take them out, you should be able to slide them right out. Again, they shouldn't cause any discomfort when doing so. They do come in a couple different sizes. Typically, we would help you do or determine the sizing at that first 1 week post-operative visit. We'll take a look at your nostril or nose and we can go ahead and advise about what size we would recommend using. We are going to ask that you use them nightly until you come back in to see us 4 to 6 weeks out, and then further use depending on how things are looking and healing.
So thanks for listening. If you have any other questions, please check us out on our website, www.dereksteinbacher.com.
Thanks again.